Imagine a world shrouded in darkness, devoid of the vibrant colors and intricate details that paint our everyday experiences. For millions around the globe, this is the reality of blindness, a profound impairment that can severely impact quality of life. Blindness, in its various forms, steals not only sight, but also independence, often leaving individuals to navigate a world designed for the seeing. The emotional, social, and economic burdens of this condition are immense, underscoring the urgent need for effective treatments. While traditional approaches have focused on managing the symptoms of blindness, a revolutionary field of medicine offers a glimmer of hope: stem cell therapy. This cutting-edge technology harnesses the body's own regenerative power, potentially offering a way to repair or replace damaged cells and tissues in the eye. The prospect of restoring sight to those who have lost it has captivated scientists and fueled groundbreaking research for decades. Could stem cells hold the key to unlocking a future where blindness is no longer an insurmountable obstacle? Blindness encompasses a wide spectrum of conditions, each with its own underlying causes and challenges. Stem cell therapy offers hope for treating a range of these conditions, particularly those affecting the cornea, retina, and optic nerve. The cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye, plays a crucial role in focusing light onto the retina. Damage to the cornea, whether from injury, infection, or genetic disorders, can lead to vision impairment or even blindness. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, stands as a formidable opponent in the battle against vision loss, primarily affecting the central vision of individuals as they age. This deterioration impacts the macula, a critical region of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As AMD progresses, it robs individuals of their ability to perform everyday tasks, such as reading, driving, and recognizing faces. Stem cell therapy emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a potential avenue for treating AMD by targeting the damaged cells in the macula. Retinitis pigmentosa, a group of inherited eye disorders, presents a different set of challenges in the fight against blindness. This devastating condition leads to the progressive degeneration of photoreceptor cells in the retina, primarily affecting peripheral and night vision in its early stages and often progressing to complete blindness. Stem cell therapy offers a ray of hope for individuals battling retinitis pigmentosa, holding the potential to replace damaged or lost photoreceptor cells and restore visual function. Researchers are investigating various approaches, including transplanting stem cell-derived photoreceptor precursors or retinal progenitor cells directly into the retina. The cornea, the transparent front part of the eye, plays a vital role in vision, acting as a window that allows light to enter the eye and focus on the retina. Corneal blindness, often resulting from injury, infection, or genetic disorders, can have a profound impact on vision, leading to blurred vision, glare, and even complete vision loss. Stem cell therapy emerges as a promising avenue for treating corneal blindness by regenerating damaged or diseased corneal tissue. Researchers are exploring the use of stem cells to generate corneal epithelial cells, the outermost layer of the cornea responsible for its transparency and smooth surface. As we delve deeper into the realm of regenerative medicine, the potential of stem cells to cure blindness shines brighter with each passing day. While challenges remain, the advancements made in stem cell research offer a glimmer of hope to millions worldwide who are living with vision loss or blindness. The ability of stem cells to transform into specialized eye cells, including photoreceptors, retinal pigment epithelial cells, and corneal epithelial cells, opens up a world of possibilities for treating a wide range of eye diseases. From age-related macular degeneration to retinitis pigmentosa and corneal blindness, stem cell therapy holds the potential to repair, regenerate, and restore damaged tissues, offering a chance to regain lost vision. The promise of stem cell therapy for eye diseases has transitioned from the realm of theoretical possibility to tangible results in recent years, with a number of clinical trials demonstrating the potential of this groundbreaking technology to restore vision. One such breakthrough emerged from a clinical trial conducted in Japan, where researchers successfully treated a patient with age-related macular degeneration, AMD, using stem cells derived from the patient's own skin. The transplanted cells transformed into retinal pigment epithelial, RPE cells, integrated into the patient's retina and improved their vision, marking a significant milestone in the field of regenerative medicine. In another promising study, researchers in the United States reported positive results from a clinical trial using embryonic stem cells to treat patients with Stargardt's macular dystrophy, a genetic eye disease that leads to progressive vision loss. The true impact of stem cell therapy for eye diseases is perhaps best illustrated through the personal stories of individuals who have experienced the life-changing power of this revolutionary treatment firsthand. One such story is that of a woman named Diane, who had been living with age-related macular degeneration, AMD, for over a decade. Determined to explore all available options, Diane enrolled in a clinical trial investigating the use of stem cells to treat AMD. To her amazement, within months of receiving the treatment, Diane noticed a significant improvement in her vision. The journey of stem cell therapy from the laboratory bench to the bedside of patients is a meticulous and multifaceted process, requiring rigorous scientific scrutiny, ethical considerations, and a commitment to patient safety at every step. While the potential of stem cells to cure blindness is immense, it's crucial to approach this field with a measured and responsible approach. One of the key challenges in translating stem cell research into clinical practice is ensuring the safety and efficacy of these treatments. Scientists must carefully select and characterize the appropriate type of stem cells for each specific eye disease, optimize cell culture techniques to generate large quantities of high-quality cells, and develop robust methods for delivering these cells to the target tissues in the eye. As stem cell therapies for eye diseases move closer to becoming a reality, it's essential to address the critical issue of accessibility and ensure that these potentially life-changing treatments are available to all who need them, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographic location. One of the major hurdles in achieving equitable access to stem cell therapy is the high cost associated with these treatments. The complex manufacturing process, stringent safety regulations, and the need for specialized medical expertise all contribute to the significant financial burden of developing and delivering these therapies. To overcome this challenge, it's crucial to explore innovative funding models, such as public-private partnerships, philanthropic support, and government subsidies, to make these treatments more affordable and accessible to a wider patient population. The development and approval of new medical treatments, especially those involving cutting-edge technologies like stem cell therapy, are subject to rigorous regulatory oversight to ensure both safety and efficacy. The path to regulatory approval is a complex and multifaceted process involving extensive preclinical research, carefully designed clinical trials, and thorough data analysis. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, plays a crucial role in regulating stem cell therapies. The FDA has established stringent guidelines and regulations to govern the development and use of these therapies, with a primary focus on protecting patient safety and ensuring that only safe and effective treatments reach the market. Section 2. Ongoing research, illuminating the frontiers of vision science. Stem cell therapy for eye diseases is a vibrant area of ongoing research. Scientists aim to unlock stem cells' potential to treat blinding conditions like retinal diseases and macular degeneration. Research focuses on efficient, targeted delivery methods for stem cells to the eye. Current techniques can be invasive and not always optimal. Innovative approaches include biocompatible scaffolds and injectable gels for precise cell delivery. Optimizing stem cell types for specific eye diseases is another research focus. Embryonic stem cells offer potential but are ethically controversial. Scientists explore adult stem cells and iPSCs for eye disease treatment. Stem cells may also modulate the immune response to eye diseases. Harnessing immunomodulatory properties could help develop therapies to replace damaged cells and reduce inflammation. The potential of stem cell therapy to cure blindness has sparked excitement and hope among patients and the medical community. While advancements are promising, it's crucial to manage expectations and remain cautiously optimistic. Stem cell therapy for eye diseases is still in its early stages. Early trials show promise, but more research is needed to understand long-term effects and risks. The journey from research to treatment is complex and lengthy. Translating discoveries into practice requires rigorous scrutiny and ethical consideration. Stem cell therapy is not a magic bullet and won't provide an overnight cure for blindness. With continued research, stem cell therapy holds potential to transform lives, offering hope for a brighter future. The quest to cure blindness through stem cell therapy requires global collaboration among scientists, clinicians, patients, advocacy groups, and regulatory agencies. Sharing knowledge and resources accelerates discovery and brings transformative treatments to those in need. Open communication fosters innovation and advances the field. Sharing data and best practices avoids duplication and speeds up therapy development. Patient advocacy groups raise awareness and support research and access to treatment. Regulatory agencies ensure therapies are safe and ethical, streamlining approval processes. Collaboration unlocks the potential of stem cell therapy to cure blindness, offering hope for sight. As with any emerging medical technology, particularly one as powerful and complex as stem cell therapy, understanding its long-term effects and safety profile is paramount. Early clinical trials offer encouraging glimpses into the potential of stem cells to treat blindness, but rigorous long-term studies are essential to evaluate durability and identify potential risks. One primary concern is the potential for uncontrolled cell growth, leading to tumor formation. This risk is low with well-characterized stem cells but must be monitored. Longitudinal studies track patients over years to gather data on safety and efficacy. Ethical considerations, navigating the moral landscape. Stem cell therapy's potential to alleviate suffering is intertwined with complex ethical considerations. Open discussions about the moral implications of stem cell research are imperative. The source of stem cells is a contentious ethical issue. Embryonic stem cells can treat diseases but raise ethical questions about the moral status of embryos. Balancing benefits with ethical concerns is an ongoing debate. Adult stem cells and iPSCs, while less contentious, also raise important considerations. The price of hope. Addressing the affordability challenge. As stem cell therapies for eye diseases transition from the realm of research to clinical practice, the issue of affordability emerges as a significant barrier to widespread access. The complex manufacturing processes, stringent safety regulations, and specialized medical expertise required for these treatments contribute to their high cost, potentially limiting their availability to only a privileged few. The financial burden of stem cell therapy can be substantial, often exceeding the reach of individuals with limited financial resources. The costs associated with cell harvesting, processing, storage, transportation, surgical implantation, and long-term follow-up care can quickly accumulate, creating significant financial barriers for patients in need. Addressing the affordability challenge requires a multi-pronged approach involving collaboration among stakeholders, including government agencies, insurance providers, pharmaceutical companies, healthcare institutions, and patient advocacy groups. Exploring innovative funding models, such as public-private partnerships, research grants, and philanthropic support, can help offset the costs associated with stem cell therapy development and make these treatments more accessible to a wider patient population. Negotiating fair pricing agreements between pharmaceutical companies and healthcare providers, as well as advocating for insurance coverage of these life-changing therapies, can help alleviate the financial burden on patients and ensure that cost does not become an insurmountable barrier to accessing potentially sight-saving treatments. Empowering informed decisions, a patient-centered approach. At the heart of the ethical and practical considerations surrounding stem cell therapy for blindness lies the paramount importance of a patient-centered approach, one that prioritizes informed decision-making, open communication, and compassionate care throughout the entire treatment journey. Patients facing the prospect of vision loss or blindness are often confronted with a whirlwind of emotions: fear, hope, uncertainty, and a profound desire to regain their sight. In this vulnerable state, it's essential that patients are provided with clear, accurate, and unbiased information about stem cell therapy, including its potential benefits, limitations, risks, and realistic expectations. Healthcare providers play a crucial role in facilitating informed decision-making by engaging in open and honest conversations with patients. providing them with comprehensive educational materials and answering their questions with patience and empathy. It's essential that patients understand that stem cell therapy for eye diseases is still an evolving field, and not all treatments are created equal. The type of stem cells used, the delivery method, the stage of the disease, and individual patient factors can all influence the likelihood of success. Empowering patients with knowledge, respecting their autonomy, and involving them in shared decision-making processes are fundamental to ensuring that stem cell therapy is pursued with realistic expectations and a deep understanding of both its potential and its limitations. The Future of Vision, a tapestry of hope, innovation, and collaboration. The quest to conquer blindness stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of scientific inquiry and the transformative power of collaboration. Stem cell therapy has emerged as a beacon of hope, with its potential to repair and restore the delicate tissues of the eye. Early clinical successes offer glimpses into a future where vision loss may no longer be insurmountable. Stories of individuals like Diane highlight the life-changing impact of stem cell therapy. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. The future of vision restoration lies in a tapestry woven from hope, innovation, and collaboration.